Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept an integer n location in a computer, then print the number of folders and files in each root folder, which is sorted based on the root folder. Now let us check for our test case. These are the root folders and their path. Now let us create a list called root name and a dictionary called folders and another dictionary called files. It will be easy for us to sort. Now in the first line videos is present, which is the root name. So let us add videos to root name. Now videos is added to root name, and next project is a folder because it does not have any dot, so project should be added to folders. You have to add a project in videos, so let us create videos first and add project to it. The next line videos is the root name, so let us add videos in the root name, comma videos, and my vlogs, it is a folder, so let us add my vlogs in folder. In videos project, comma, we have to add my vlogs here. Now next, videos is the root name, so let us add videos, and day003.mp4 is a file name because it has dot, so let us add this to files. Videos of day 003.mp4. Now next root name is desktop, and image1.png is a file name. So let us create desktop first in file and then add image1.png to it, comma desktop image1.png. Now next the root name is videos, and project is a folder, project. So in videos let us add my vlogs is a folder, so we are adding my vlogs, and in the next the root name is also videos, so let us add videos, and project is a folder. And then at last desktop is the root name, and abc.txt is a file name, so let us add this file to desktop here, comma abc.txt. Now we have to print the folders and files in each root folder in sorted order, so let us consider desktop first because it comes first in sorted order. Now this desktop, the root names are desktop and videos, In desktop, there are no folders present in desktop. So 0 folders. And desktop contains 2 files. So 2 files. Next, videos. Videos contain 1, 2, 3, 4 folders. So 4 folders, but the project and my blogs is repeated. So 2 folders and 1 file. Here the suffix s should be added if it is more than 1 means. Now this will be our required output. Now let us implement our logic using Python 3. The program must get the input integer from the user, integer n, and it must get the root name. Let us create a root name as list and folders, files and folders as dictionary. Okay, now next we are just using a for loop for ctr, which ranges from 1 to ctr, which ranges from 1 to n, and we have to add the location. So location equal to input dot strip of 2 backslash dot split 2 backslash. This will split according to the backslash. So we are using a strip and split function here because the root name contains backslashes. And then we have to append the location to the root name list. So append root name dot append, let's write append location of 0 to root name. Now next we have to check the condition whether it is a folder or file in the root name. So if dot in location of 1 means we have to append to the file. So files equal to files dot get location of 0 comma empty list plus location of 1. Here in this line it is nothing but first it is checking for the location whether the root name is created or not, then the location of 1 is added. If it is not created, the root name is created and the location of 1 is added. First it will search for the root name. So in the location of 1 will be added. So next in the else part, which is folders, so let's copy and paste this same line. Instead of files, folders. So let us change it, folders, and here also folders, and okay. Now next we have to count the folders and files. So let's have a for loop for name in sorted set of root name. Here we are using set because root name contains some duplicate values. So we are using set function here. Now let us initialize folder count and file count to 0. Okay, if name in folders, then folder count equal to len of set of folders of the name, because in the folders also there may be some duplicate values. So we are using set function here. We are just counting how many names are there in the folder. So this is the folder count. Now we have to check for the files. If file name in files, if name in files, have to file count equal to len of same. Let's copy and paste. Okay, this will give us the file count which is present in the routine. Now we have to print the output based on respective format. If the count is 0 or 1 greater than 1 means you have to add a suffix s must be added to it.